G'day and welcome to Making a Simple Spider with Jenny Brandis. This is number 6 in the series. Starting with a half stitch, pin, half stitch, edge, cross, twist, pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, pin, cross, twist. Now we are going to add 3 twists to each of the leg pairs. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. To form the body of the spider, we cross stitch the leg pairs, starting with the centre 2 pairs, cross, twist, cross. Bring in the next pair on the left and cross, twist, cross to the centre. Now we bring the right pair through, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Put the pin up and tension all the legs. Using the centre 2 pairs, close the pin and form the bottom of the spider body with cloth stitch. Bring in the right pair now, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, tension, then add 3 twists to each of the leg pairs. To finish off the spider, we need to take the side pairs down the pin line in half stitch, pin, half stitch. Cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist and tension. Move to the right and cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist, cross, twist, put up the pin, cross, twist and tension. The final pin is cross, twist. I take out my body pin and use it as my final pin. Cross, twist. Tension the leg pairs to tension the body.